guys, welcome back to Star Talks. I hope you're having a beautiful, blessed day whenever you watch this. I'm kind of tired today, but I really wanted to get this filmed, so I'll try to be quick with the intro. Today, we're going to be talking about a couple of products by byNeeks, who I've reviewed a couple of times, who I just love. I just love her products. I just shout out to you, Neeks, for just doing what you do. Uh, and so I got them. I originally had something else planned to release this upcoming week, but I want to release this one just because I put these on and I was like, you know what? I needed to work out in at least one pair of these. So I'm really excited about what I'm going to show you. I think that this will be fun because I'm actually releasing it kind of like on par with her latest release. And usually, well, for the first year that I was trying her products, I would get them a little after. So there was a little bit of a time delay with me trying it and them coming out. These are pretty much brand spanking new. They came out like maybe November or December, so we're catching up a little bit. So we're gonna just get into it. I'm going to put the descriptions in the description box because I don't remember the name of the other one. But hold on, I might have the order sheet. Let's see. I do. Okay, so one pair is called the V-shaped leggings, and the other is called that thong leggings. So
Okay, so
they're
here
very cute.
is the
I think you're
full
gonna like them. I love
unboxing
them.
of this haul.
And
I
yeah,
love
let's
that it's
just get right
shipped in
into it.
black. It's
Let's
just
go.
so sleek and fashionable when it arrives. So here we go, opening this up, taking these two products out so guys can see how they arrive. Yeah, there you go. Standard, very nice byNeeks sizes on the top. You can see I got one in a size small, one in a size medium. Let's go. So trying on that thong leggings, shimmy them up. Please excuse the tag on my shirt. But yeah, trying to just give you guys the closest view of how these leggings are sitting. These are actually not high waist. These are, I think it would be called mid-rise maybe. But yeah, just shimmy them on here. I feel like you can't really see like this special little design of them, but they look and feel good on. So just going ahead and giving you guys a glimpse from the side. Standing up straight there. From the back, a little flex on. So you guys can try to see that like special design definition. Turning up the light there. Excuse that little close up from the try on, but there you go. These are 100% squat proof because of the way that they're designed, which I actually think is really smart. Can't see anything, but yeah, look, they're so cute. They're so soft. I would expect nothing but the highest quality from Neeks. You can see her little label on the bottom there, the tag in the inside. Let's go ahead and take that out. I feel like her tag removal is also really great. I never worry about actually ripping my pants, which is nice. So, yeah, there you go. Next time I'll take my tag off my shirt. It's really bothering me. It's bothering the perfectionist in me, but just we'll live with it. A little hop test, a little squat test, a little bit more flexing just to see like how these fit. I will say the one downside to black pants is that you don't really get as much definition, but I love these. I'm excited to work out in them. So here is a close-up so you guys can really see the design on these, that thong design. As I mentioned, I have something similar with the Ivy Parks, but I definitely think that these fit better. They definitely feel like you can work out in them comfortably, whereas the Ivy Parks did not. So I will say that these are definitely made for a workout. And yeah, let's give you a close-up of the fabric. A little unboxing here. I got them in a medium, and the medium was a good choice for these. So here you can see the fabric. It's super shiny. I love that. I love it. You can't really see it in the pictures on her page either for the advertising, but it's super subtle. It's like just the right amount of shine, where it's like you can't really tell, but you can tell up close. I don't know. There's something about it that I just really liked as someone that doesn't really like shiny pants, but it was perfect. It was like just the right amount. So yeah, these are full length. Again, Neeks' top-notch quality is super, super soft. that tag before I took it out. Medium, mostly nylon. Yeah, this is the inside, the gusset, and yeah, super cute. Alright, next, let's get into these V-back leggings. So I've been wanting to try these for a while. Yeah, I feel like once I saw them on Megan Thee Stallion, I really wanted to try them because she was just wearing them so well in her workout videos. I was like, okay, I might be able to get behind this. Um, yeah, I do feel like V-back leggings, or like sweetheart style leggings, as I've seen them called other places, are going to be a really big trend for 2024. So I will say it's worth it to invest in quality ones, because I've already seen some of the cheaper ones on Amazon, and yeah, Neeks is obviously, they hold up better. They're created by a creator, and not like a company. So there you go, taking a good look at what they look like. I had zero issues working out in these. They didn't slide down. You couldn't see anything. I had no fear about like my underwear showing while I was working out. They sit perfectly. I'm telling you, they sit on you perfectly. And yeah, these are really cute. These are high waisted. So I also really love the design on these. You guys know I love that kind of like meringue style. And I'll give you a close up of the design in a second. There we go. Yeah, you can see the color better here. You can see that like V-back sweetheart that I was telling you about. And let's do a quick little unboxing here so you guys can see the fabric a little bit better up close in the light. I did get these in a small, and when I first tried them on, I was a little worried about getting them in that size small because they were a little tight in the calves, but they actually held up really well. They didn't like rip or tear anything or stretch over too much when I put them on, which is a really good first sign. You can see that even though they're gray, the gray kind of looks a little bit blue, and it's got that black in it. Like, I just really love these. I feel like I want to wear these every day. I want her to come out with more colors. You can see it is the exaggerated scrunch in the back, but that's perfect for me. Like I said, this is my exact style of legging. I love them.
Okay, so after the try on, I did go ahead and put those V leggings back on. I was planning to wear a different pair of leggings today, but as soon as I put these on, I was like, oh no, we need to work out in these today. So I'm wearing them still right now. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to do a little workout wear test. But if you see any of her like promotional, I don't want to say promotional because everyone just tags her because she's great, but I guess promotional videos, a lot of people wear them to work out. So that's what they're made for. I'm really excited about it. I'll report back if you guys want to know how they hold up for a workout. I'm sure they're going to do fine. The rest of her clothes usually do, even though a lot of the neutral colors I just wear just to wear out because they're cute. But yeah, so thank you for watching. As always, if this helped you in any way, feel free to thank me by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/startalks. Thank you for every like, share, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that. Go us. Yeah, and have a great rest of the day. I will see you later this week. Bye.